Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a tutorial on how I fill in my eyebrows. It's going to be a little bit more detailed than before. So what I'm doing is just brushing my eyebrows straight up. I usually use like a little bitty pair of scissors, but I don't have them right now. And so what I'm doing is just trimming off the long hairs that I see once I comb them up. Now, when I fill in my eyebrows or whatever I do with my eyebrows, I always go with the natural arch. I never try to create another arch because simply I'm not a makeup artist. I just really know the basics. And, I think my eyebrow shape, like it's natural, so, why not? So now I'm going to use the same eyebrow pencil that I was combing my eyebrows out with, and I'm going to fill them in. Now when I'm filling them in, I'm going to start from the inside and go outward. Alright, now when you actually start to fill in, you want to start with the, I guess the beginning of your eyebrow and then go to the end. What I do is I make the beginning of my eyebrow darker than the end of my eyebrow because, that's how my eyebrow naturally is. So, yeah, now I'm just going to use concealer and I'm going to line under my eyebrow and above my eyebrow. So, the first eyebrow I messed up on, that's usually the one I do the best on. And the one that I usually mess up on, I'm like doing really good on it. So, yeah. Just outline your eyebrows as normal. As you can see, I'm not using a lot of product at all. I am using my Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. Okay, so now I'm just going to blend everything going down. I'm sorry. I'm going to blend, my bottom going down and then my top going up. So I'm just going to blend it into my eyelids because I have dark eyelids anyway. And this concealer kind of like is used as like an eyeshadow for me. So yeah. And now I'm just blending up. And you should start to see like the line disappear. And as y'all can see on this eye, I really didn't use that much product like at all. And it's blending really well. So basically the less product you use, the easier it's going to be to blend with your skin. Now I know you guys see the little, I guess it's like a white hue around the eyebrow. I'm going to show you guys how to conceal that. So what I'm doing now is putting on my foundation, and I'm going to put my foundation also above my eyebrow too. The work that I just did on my eyebrow is still going to be there. It's going to be neater. It's just going to be more with my skin tone, more natural like. And so right here I'm just adding some eyeliner, girl, just to make the eyes pop a little bit more. Alright y'all, so here's the finished look. Nothing special, just natural fill in, and it looks really nice. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.